Yo, what is up, my Apple Watch Bro family, and welcome to my favorite series in this channel. Welcome to the Why You Need series, episode 4. The series where I basically convince you, or at least try to convince you, to get a certain product or a certain service. If you guys haven't checked out this video, or this video, definitely check them out. I will link them down below because, as I said, I am very proud of them. So anyways, this is why you need the HomePod.
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
So I personally love my HomePod. Since the minute I unboxed it, I've been using it every single day, whether it's to listening to music or to controlling my lights, whether controlling my HomeKit products around my house. I love my HomePod. So let's just start everything off with the quality of the HomePod. I mean, just listen to this. It feels like this girl is actually in this room. The voice is so pure. It's so good. The quality of it. You guys can't really, I can't really show you how good of a quality the HomePod is, but trust me, it's amazing. And specifically for being a smart speaker, which usually smart speakers don't have good quality, the HomePod does. The HomePod is a smart speaker and it has good quality. And in my opinion, this is the first time that any tech company has done this, being smart and being good quality. I mean, the quality of this thing, once again, it's absolutely incredible. Now, my second reason why you should pick up a HomePod is if you have HomeKit products, whether they're smart light bulbs, whether they're smart plugs, whether they're your heating, whatever it is, Siri can control that, okay? And now I know, before you guys actually comment down there, my iPhone can't do that. Even my Apple Watch can control my lights as well. But it's not the same. For example, the Apple Watch, I love the Apple Watch and my channel is focused on the Apple Watch. But the Apple Watch, it does amazing at controlling my lights, but you still have to raise your wrist and say, Siri, turn off the lights. And that's a problem. Now, I know this is like a first world problem, but let's say, for example, in my opinion, it's just faster to just turn off the switch in my room than raising up my wrist and saying, Siri, turn on my light. But not with the HomePod. With the HomePod, when I walk in my room, I say, Siri, turn on my lights. Siri, turn on my strip lights. Siri, turn on my desk lamp. I mean, just look. Hey, Siri, turn off my desk lamp. Boom.
All set.
And it's that easy. I mean, it turns it that fast. And that's amazing. With the watch, you have to raise it up. Say, hey, Siri, turn off the lights. Anyways, hey, Siri, turn on my desk lamp.
Done.
There you go. So yeah, it's amazing on how Siri can control all of my lights. And also, Siri can do a lot of things. Now, I know a lot of people are saying that Siri is not smart, but it is, okay? Siri can do a lot of things. I know Siri needs a lot of improvement, and hopefully with iOS 12, Apple will fix that, which I'm like 100% sure that Apple is fixing Siri, because everybody's complaining about Siri on how he's not smart. Apple, please don't bark. I am filming a video. Now, a lot of people complain about Siri, and once again, I understand that, but Siri can do so many things. I do this a lot. For example, I'm doing homework and I'm researching, for example, a designer or an artist or whatever it is. I'm literally typing and I'm like, hey Siri, who was Andy Warhol? It's just an example.
Andy Warhol was an American artist, director, and producer who was a leading figure in the visual art movement known as pop art. Would you like to hear more?
No, thank you. I'm filming a video, but thank you. So Siri can be very smart, as I said. You just kind of have to learn how to use it, which is a problem. And Apple, please fix that, because we should be able to use Siri just by, knowing how to use it. We don't have to wait and understand Siri. I think, me personally, Siri should be much easier to use, and Siri should answer so many more questions. But the final thought is that Siri can be very useful, whether it's controlling your lights, whether it's asking for soccer scores, whether it's asking for who this person was. One thing that the Google Assistant is very good at, by the way, is, for example, how much is an iPad? And Siri doesn't actually do this. Hey Siri, how much is an iPad Pro?
Apple.com should be able to help you with that.
See, that's a problem. I mean, I feel like the HomePod should be able to answer those questions. But it's a matter of an update, and it's a matter that Apple will fix this. Another thing that a lot of people are complaining about the HomePod is the lack of support with Spotify. You can't say, Siri, play me a song by a certain artist from Spotify. And so many people are freaking out how Siri doesn't actually accept Spotify. With Siri, Google did the same thing. I said this on my last video. Google did the same thing. When I had my Google Home Mini, I couldn't play music from my Apple Music library. Everybody's doing this because every company wants everybody to use its own ecosystem. Anyways, enough of defending Apple here. If you're an Apple fan, if you're put into the Apple ecosystem, the Google Home Mini will do amazing on that. I mean, you will be able to play Apple Music, and playing Apple Music on this thing, asking Siri to play a certain song. Let's say, hey Siri, play Nikki's music playlist. By the way, if you guys are not following me on Apple Music, links will be down below. I've got an amazing playlist on it. Anyways, Siri can be very useful. Hey Siri, who's this song from?
This is Changed My Mind by Tove Steyerk.
Hey Siri, when was this song released? I feel like I always...
Changed My Mind by Tove Steyerk came out on February 2nd, 2018.
So anyway, should you get the HomePod? Well, in my opinion, the HomePod is not for everybody. If you guys don't have like smart lights, or if you guys are not really invested in Siri, which by the way you should because Siri is amazing as I said, the HomePod might not be the best. Now, why do I mean by that? Well, let's say my sister, for example, she just moved in to a different house. She doesn't live here anymore, and she lives with her boyfriend and stuff. And they were looking into a speaker, you know? She wanted a speaker to listen to music at home. And I was like, oh my gosh, you should get the HomePod, and it's amazing and stuff. But she was asking me questions on like, why should I pay this extra money if I'm not going to use this, and this? She wanted a portable speaker, for example. Which, by the way, she ended up getting the Beats Pill Plus, which is this one right here. I mean, it's a great speaker, but it's not smart, and it's not as good quality, in my opinion, as the HomePod. But, I mean, it serves her perfectly, okay? Because with the Beats Pill Plus, it's so portable that she can put it in the shower. She can put it on the living room. She can put it anywhere she wants. And that's not going to happen with the HomePod. Well, I'm just letting you know that the HomePod is not like a portable speaker. The HomePod is a speaker to just sit in one place and to, for example, in the living room, and to always play music on the living room, for example. Because it's a home, first of all, it's a smart speaker, which usually smart speakers aren't, like, you know, portable. I'm just letting you guys know because a lot of people are like, well, the Beats Pill Plus is an amazing device, or this other Bluetooth device is amazing. This is not what you're looking for. The HomePod is the perfect speaker for your home. Which, by the way, the sponsor for today's video is Bullstrap. If you guys are looking for a very high quality Apple Watch band made out of pure leather, I will link their bands down below. They are amazing. And I'm not just saying that because this video is sponsored. I am just saying that because their products are truly amazing. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, here's a discount code for Bullstrap. You know, definitely use it because it's a good discount. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Hey Siri, say bye.